Hola a todos, bienvenidos a Cartagena, la mejor ciudad de Colombia, donde puedan apreciar la mejor cultura, la mejor comida, las mejores islas. No se lo pierdan, les espero. ¡Vamos!
Hola.
Alright, so I'm here in the lovely Cartagena. Hopefully the vibe here is a little bit different from Medellin, so I get a little blend of the different cultures here. Today I'm going to go do a walking tour. Actually, there's a couple walking tours I'm going to do. Apparently the food is really good. I've been here in Colombia a while. People have been telling me what to do and what to see in Cartagena. So I'm going to do a lot of that stuff. Yeah, come along with me. Okay, so Omar in the kitchen here, he's spoiling us because this is the third thing I've eaten here and it's amazing. I didn't have to leave the house to eat. Food is so good. Oh yeah, so walking these streets in Cartagena, you notice that it is hot.
Esto es Cartagena, qué calor.
This is Cartagena, guys. It's very, very hot. Woo.
Hey, my name is Kayla. I'm a tour guide. I'm from Cartagena. This is the best place in Colombia, and you will learn why Cartagena is so beautiful. Come to us and visit us. Thank you for coming.
Okay, welcome to my lovely country, Colombia.
I'm Jason, we're the Boulanger family. This is my son Mateo, he's 12 years old, and my wife Lorena. We're living now in Northern Ontario, Canada. My wife is from Armenia, Quindío, here in Colombia. We travel to Colombia regularly. It's a beautiful country with wonderful people. The culture is very welcoming and warm. The food's fantastic, and it's the most beautiful place on earth.
This is the first time for them in Cartagena, and the city is beautiful. It's full of history, and we're really happy to be here.
It was amazing.
Yeah, the tour was fun. She was very happy explaining things, making it fun, and it was really nice.
Yeah, and if you have any reservations about Colombia, don't. It's a beautiful spot. You're not going to regret coming here, and the diversity is incredible from one part of the country to the other. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's my home away from home, and we love coming to Colombia.
My name is Victor, I'm from Brazil. I think this tour was amazing. I loved how passionate and didactic the tour was, the tour guide was. At the same time it was very informative. I think it was also very funny, and the way she interacted with the city. She gave us some snacks, Colombian drinks, so I think that was amazing.
We don't negotiate for food and drink. We don't. Just for souvenirs.
Hi, so my name is Matt.
Yeah, my name is Marie. I'm from Germany, Stuttgart area.
Yeah, and I was born in Chicago, and here we are. We enjoyed the tour here in Cartagena, and
it's a really beautiful city. Yeah.
Most definitely. Hola, me vale.
Ajá.
Me gustaría comprar coca.
¿Coca? Coca.
Coca.
Ajá.
Coca.
Coca no. Here no coca. Coca, very good, very good. "2015. Steve Harvey made a very big mistake.
I have to apologize.
No. These lovely women.
So far on this tour, it's been really cool. Our tour guide is super animated. She's got a lot of energy, giving us some great history. And I've done some tours already in Medellin, so I learned a little bit about Colombia, how it's founded, but here on the coast, they have a little bit of different, the history is a little bit different, so I'm getting that aspect of it, and it's really cool. So I definitely recommend the tour here in Cartagena.
Hi, I'm Kristen. I'm from Washington, D.C. in the U.S., but I'm currently living in Medellin, Colombia. Been living there for about 2 years, and we've been traveling around. My mom's visiting, so did this tour today to get our bearings on Cartagena, and it was a great tour just to learn more about the history, and also just to wander, get lost in the old city, which is gorgeous.
Hello, I'm Monica.
And I'm Natasha, we are from Brazil.
Yeah, and we really loved the tour. The tourist guide was amazing, and we learned a lot about Cartagena culture and food and everything. So it was really cool. We really recommend it. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, and turn around. Arriba, abajo, para el centro, para adentro.
Alright, so we're here in San Alberto Cafe. Kayla, our tour guide, recommended it. Here you can kind of tell them what you're looking for, if you want something strong, weak, and they'll recommend a coffee. And they say all the beans are locally grown, or at least in Colombia, I imagine. And so for what I wanted, I got a French press coffee, and he said it would pair well with the carrot cake, so I'm gonna try it. Wow, that's strong. I like it though, and I think it's gonna go really well with this. Good job, man, for suggesting that, because it's a good pairing.
So we are downtown Cartagena in the main strip, and it is crazy. There's so many people. I'm here with my boy Livan from Puerto Rico / Cuba. We're having a great time out here. We're dancing salsa. We're having ice cream, meeting people, hanging out. But it's packed out here. And that dude with this noise thing, oh my goodness, I'm about to go over there and make him stop making noise, because man.
It's actually him.
Yeah, I know who it is. Hey, everybody on YouTube, let's when you see this dude, we're gonna beat him up, all right?
Bienvenido a Getsemani, un barrio lleno de historia y magia.
Hey guys, let's go inside.
this sign basically says that this really amazing picture was taken by that drone, which they blocked the signal to knock it out of the sky. So this is a very subtle way of saying don't fly your drone here.